morning, guys. We are off to watch Lion King. How's everyone? Early in the morning. We're off to see Lion King. And I got my mama at the back. My dear.
Yeah.
Say, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. Thank you. Oh, she's coming in here. Trying to look pretty. Yeah, we gotta go Lion King, guys. And I have a driver here trying to make trouble to me this morning, but he lucky. Yeah, okay. Well, we're off to the movies, guys. So I hope Lion King is good. And when I come outside, I'm gonna tell you guys all about it. Okay? So we arrived at the movies. So we're just gonna go in there with my mama. And so, Lion King, here we come. And then, meow. Yeah, whakariaku ile. Whakariaku so ale mai kako vai ingo, mas kako pepper chip. Ta-da! Okay, here we go. Let us set it and get us a drink and bunch your auntie. So get the sweet, get the chip, and get the drink. Lemonade and lemon tea. Yeah. Yeah, hi guys. I was just about to go to the movies and I meet up with Emma here.
Hi!
She's having something to eat with
Early breakfast.
Oh, okay.
With my kids.
Oh, cool.
I thought I'd say hi to you. I watch your mukbangs.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thought I'd say hi.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I appreciate that. You guys have a good day. Oh, bye-bye. Someone that watches my mukbang. She's so awesome. Thank you very much, Emma. Yummy food here. And then going to the movies. Look at these flight of steps, guys. Oi, oi, oi. Pa'ulo Cinderella. Ia ka momo e mai loa e lefa o nunga wai loa. Se ala lopa mai. Paaya, oi. Ia ka ro fasiro makua manang sa vai nunga faskepu. Yeah, don't worry. Kukiki au hava wasela. Wasela halfway. Wama, ia la masela. Kukiki au. Ta-da! That's nothing. Yeah, wow. That's already. That's a what? Garo Faye. You got no more shankama. The movie's about to begin, guys.
Welcome to Voice. You've made the right choice. If you're ready to recline.
We just finished the movie, guys. It was good. But you guys gotta come and watch it for yourselves. Let's see how you guys like it. It was good. I was even singing in there. Oh, just mucking around. We're mucking around here at my daughter's house. And look, there's a park at the back there. Man, you know when I was a kid, I used to love the park. Now me and my mom are going to go look for some lunch. My dear, Ano siya ay? Ah,
Chicken chips.
chicken and chips. Kalu Faye. Shay. And he has a chicken and chips. And then funny for a bucket of toast. If I see out, you go. Fa? If I don't see out, woman. So we done the smoothie thing today, right guys? And now it's time to eat my burger and my hot dog. They call it Pluto Pup here in Australia. Pluto Pup. Maybe because it's a long sausage. It's so massive and so like heavy. Okay. Just got back from my daughter's house. I went there, I had to learn a few things about Instagram, stuff like that, because I still don't know it. People have leave me messages and then only when they go on it and do it for me and then I can comment people. Hey, mea lei roa e. Ngā rei roa po e ia, i aka e lei roa whai ia me fo e kaunga. Cheers guys. Cheers after the baby. Yeah, then we stopped by, my mama and I bought a hamburger with egg. Right. There's the egg, the hamburger. I don't know why they call it hamburger. There's not even a ham in it. It's only mince. Yeah, have a bite. Oh, koe awak with a bite. Am I washing? The rim. No message today. Yeah. Lion King wasn't too bad. I mean, still makes me sad when Lion King died. Yeah. But still good. It's always a favourite of my husband's. That's the only reason why I agreed to go. I know it's my husband's favourite movie. You know Tom Hanks, big. Yeah, it's one of his favourite movies. The Lion King. Oh, and the cartoon Tarzan. Yeah. He loves the movie. He can watch it over and over like it's the first time he's ever watched it. And then everyone has to be quiet because he's watching his Lion King. Nice burger. I don't know why they call it blue pup. It's a hot dog on to me. Oh yeah. Nice. I was at my daughter's house. We were talking about YouTube videos. And then we were talking about Benny vlogs, and she goes, Benny who? And I said, Benny vlogs. She goes, oh, is that the guy that does recipes? I said, yes. She goes, oh, I tried a Thailand donut from his recipe, and kokolesa. Because she loves kokolesa. Now she can make it fancy Denny frogs. Do you think this is true? That if you sing too long, on a copyright song, that there's a copyright song, but you sing it and you sing it for too long, you can get taken money off your videos. Oh, in fact. Or did they think that I sounded so much like Mariah Carey, they didn't know the difference? I like this because it's the real mince, no added sausage meat to it, it's real mince. And then salad, egg. I usually like soft cooked egg though, but hey, it doesn't matter. Anyway I get it, that's nice. I had a nice little day out with my mum today, my husband, and they were both on their best behaviour. That's what was good about it. Yep. And you know what was funny? When we were leaving the movies, you have to have those lights on the side. My mum was so terrified, she didn't know what it was. She wouldn't knew a step. And I said, come, just follow me. She was just standing still. She eventually got out of it now. She just didn't understand the lights. She probably thought it was a lot of steps. This is actually nice. It was good meeting up with the viewer today. Really good. I was zooming past, and I see this pretty girl just smiling towards me. And I thought, does she want to say something? So I thought, I better not be rude and carry on. I'll be walking and stop and just. And then when I said hi, and she said, oh, what's your mukbang? I thought, aww, got my frills. But I acted cool, but in my heart was frills. Anyway, thank you, Emma. No, I know it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put this video together. Probably not much today, but it's something. So I hope you guys are having a nice Sunday, as I did today, with my mama and my honey bunny, silver poops. Take it easy, guys. Take care, okay? Paso for